Good morning, guys. Matthew here again. I have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and the customer called me. She told me actually, the car is not starting, and she smelled like a burning something, and she's telling me there's a wire issue in the car. I get in the car. I got my key fob. It's here. It's a push start. You see, when I'm pressing the brake pedal to start the car, you see it doesn't do anything. One thing you need to pay attention in this car, you see the security light is on and stay on, but the ignition turning on the engine, turning on the car. That means this key fob, the chip inside it, is not working. The car is not recognizing, and there's a problem with the key. That's why the key light, you see, this one issue goes off in after 3 seconds. Right now we're dealing with the anti-theft and immobilizer system. That's why this car is not starting. And another thing, I want you guys to pay attention to this car. The battery. You see the battery? It has a cover here, but the car smells really bad, and I'm sure something burning. But if you take this cover off, you see this side doesn't have a cover. It should something this side and this side. This battery take water inside, and water messing up the seal inside the battery. And this battery need to be replaced. And after that, after I fix the immobilizer, we need to figure out what's that thing. It smells like a burning wire or something. Yeah, you need to pay attention whenever you want to start the car. You see, immobilizer stay on. That's a problem.